Just about every aspect of healthcare, from hospitals to health departments, are experiencing some form of strain. Recently, the Multnomah County Health Department said it is now dealing with a backlog in coronavirus testing.
That is just one of the many challenges that health departments in the Portland area are facing with the surge. A Washington County Health Officer, Director Christina Baumann, is with us live this morning. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. Good morning.
Yeah, and so tell us about the health departments around the state. Are they overwhelmed right now, and what is the situation?
Yeah, I can tell you with the rapid increase in cases, we're at capacity. We have staffed up as much as we can, and now we're reassigning our teams so that we can focus on reaching out to cases and addressing outbreaks and virus spread in really high-risk areas where people could get really sick. So what we really need is the public's help. We need your help. The very first thing that you can do to help is decrease the risk of getting the virus and spreading the virus. That's top of the list. And number two is if you test positive, we need your help to reach out to your close contacts. Tell them they've been exposed, ask them to quarantine for 14 days from the last time they were with you, watch for symptoms, and get tested.
Yeah, I think one of the issues with that is, right now it's taking days, in some cases almost a full week, to return some of these COVID tests, to see if they're negative or positive. Do you want people to be asking their close contacts to be quarantining just when they get the test and maybe trying to take that action ahead of waiting for those results?
I think what would be best is that if you have any symptoms of COVID, start isolating right away. Don't wait for that test result. If you've gone and get tested, be isolating until you know what that test result is and while you're feeling sick. Certainly, you can let your contacts know that you're awaiting test results and they should watch out for symptoms as well.
Okay, there is a lot of confusion about testing. I think most of us have either been tested at some point or know people who have. Where do people go? Because it seems like depending on which urgent care facility you're looking at online, it can be kind of confusing about where to go and how easy it is to get a test.
Yeah, thank you. Absolutely, we recognize that. So Public Health has put together after you get tested guide for COVID-19. Looks like this. You can access it on the Washington County Public Health COVID website. Multnomah County also has it on their website. It's filled with really good information. It has calendars to show how long you should isolate, how long you should quarantine, some tips on how to reach out to your close contacts to give them the hard news that they have been exposed.
So, of course, we're seeing kind of the delay here in the daily results as they're being reported and then what's actually happening in real time. What are you anticipating here as we head into the Thanksgiving holiday? Because the numbers that we're putting out today, are previous numbers. It's not what we're seeing right now.
That's right. We absolutely know with the rising cases, that means that there's a lot of virus out there in the community that people could be exposed to. We know that we're going to be seeing many more cases with the steep rise that we've been seeing over the past few weeks. And now going into Thanksgiving, every single holiday has kicked up virus spread. That's because the virus spreads when people get together, and people get together for holidays. They let their guard down with the people that they know. They feel awkward taking precautions like masking and distancing, and then they go back to their own households, and we see a lot of household spread. So I am really worried that this Thanksgiving is going to add more fuel to a fire that's already raging. And I'm really worried that we're going to be hearing a lot of sad stories coming out of Thanksgiving going into the Christmas season. And that's entirely avoidable. It is not too late to change your plans and make safer choices.
Yeah, yeah. And we have been talking a lot about Thanksgiving, and then there's the following day, Black Friday and shopping. Are you concerned about that as well? About, crowds being out at some of these sales that are going on potentially?
Yes, absolutely. My advice is that many stores are offering online sales. Do that instead. That's by far and away the safest option. If you do end up going out to stores, go to ones that are observing safety precautions. Be patient, look out for the people around you, stay distant, but absolutely, first and foremost, stay home and do your shopping online for Black Friday.
Doctor, we're almost out of time here, but I'm just curious, what are you doing for Thanksgiving this year?
Yeah, thanks. So my family, my husband's family, they're all in the Portland area. And on a typical normal year, we'd be having Thanksgiving 2 days in a row, getting together with 4 to 5 different households. I am not doing that this year. We have a pandemic that is extremely dangerous. I have older parents that I need to protect. So they're celebrating at their own home. My sister's celebrating at her own home. And we are going to get together virtually on video, share some toasts in our Thanksgiving, and that is the safest choice for me.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are going that route. Well, Dr. Christina Baumann, the health officer for Washington County, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.